Hi there, it's Katya from FitInMobility, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to strengthen your feet muscles. I like to do these specific exercises with all of my patients after stroke whose peroneus nerves are not so active, or the people who recently have a lower back pain operation and the nerve get a little bit damaged. So let's begin. First exercise is really simple. I like to start with my feet just a little bit in front of my knees because it's just a little bit easier, and you're gonna simply do like tapping on the floor. And you do this like 15 seconds, tapping as quick as you can, and this will strengthen your front muscles and release. The next exercise you can do, if you have a rubber band, wrap it around your feet, and with the other feet, with a healthy one, hold it like this. You can hold it for a few seconds, 5 seconds, and release it. Or you can just do it with many repetitions, 10 to 15 times. This is one version, and the second one we say, hold it like this, 5 seconds, and repeat 10 times. Many people don't have this rubber band, so you're just gonna use a small towel, step it on, and try to do this with a towel. Nice and simple. Hold it 5 seconds, or repeat 10 to 15 times and release. The other version is again with a rubber band. I'm just gonna do a knot like this, and we are gonna do pretty much the same, just a slightly different. And you're gonna do like this, both feet goes in, and do this 10 to 15 times, 3 repetitions. So those were just 3 simple exercises to give your feet a little bit more strength and stability while you're walking. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time. Bye bye.